My boy is really doing some more. My boy is now a YouTuber, content creator. So he has seized my other. What's my started for sure? Julia, no. One a man yet. Send them Ukraine. Eh? What's that? Camera will be on the number be HH. Guys, this is my tree. I'm taking off my tree. My husband is taking off the tree. And this tree, the way it was initially, you have to like open the branches so that it will be fluffy. But now he's taking it off. He's trying to what do they call it? Like let it come together. So my husband is folding them back. So if this box is not enough, the other big box is there. Yeah. Not for the tree, but for Sarah, you have been there buying. Now I cannot. No, say the way I will see you no say. I am fix here. So I'm also folding the things here. It's like yeah, but me there the bedroom. Oh wow, this is like when I hear this I know. Oh, this is cute. So I'm here. Yay! Yay! You happy? You are consuming my space, okay? Namali, leave it there. Oh dear, Kawagana, can it just baby? Tuma mulu. Want massive that. Want to say Vara, Beka for Vara for soft life. Soft life. Oh no, chai. Bless you. Charles, I'm here hard thing with your normal. Or be involving. Now I'm so near Evelyn in your call. Yes. My love, are you packing it or what? Hey, goodness. Guys, you finished vlogging? You finished with your vlogging? So why that big one? That box, no? Yeah. Now you know say you will not use it, you know? No, I will say you can't enter that thing, some of them. So okay, kill up can. The can box, you know? Yeah. It will probably to me the so when bit me am wash away any man. Because say yeah the ornament in this a gum. Ornament cry any problem. Okay. Wait, ornament we can put it in. I'm sleeping. For you guys to have free time. No. I'm awake. No, we put it inside. Hold it. Wait, help daddy, okay? Help daddy put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. You don't want us to remove the tree? You don't want the tree to remove? I'm going to set different one. But you're not watching, you're happy. Jacket to get jar. Came up to the cookies from the cookie jar. Yes, you? Yes, me? Come.
What?
can dance because what block it? You need to stop. I just hope the woman will come and knock the door, and we will hand you to the woman.
Yeah.
That you are the one causing that, because we are not the one. It's you that is causing that. Stop. Why? Eh? Somebody will be busy doing something that then you'll be removing. I mean, you can't show around. That's the question. I don't know. All of a sudden, you start jumping. This is your fault. And if I even do the clothing from the closet, still the hangers is not going to be enough because Caleb's clothing is increasing more each and every day. Is increasing. I need check drawers.
Yeah, something to say that.
Casanoma, I don't got. No, but don't punish me, man. But not lost that part. Somebody's downstairs and you are distracted the person. Why?
You want? I'll take you down there.
And you go and explain yourself. Ah. Yeah.
No, we need to find it.
Roses.
No. I think I see you. I did it to comment. I did it to like have.
Sit.
Who's that? Is it comment?
No, you're like.
Oh, it's coming. Yes.
That means my leg is cassava.
No, you go.
So, honestly, wow, guys, see what my husband is doing? Christmas late night. What is it? Oh, guys, so far so good. Wow. We are still celebrating Christmas or what? Caleb alone can even help. Tree has been taken off. No tree again. So the box it came from. So we are putting it back and put it in the storeroom. Everywhere is scattered, and this boy is adding more tags. I will fold. He will scatter. Fold.
Wow.
So cute.
Oh. Look. Take it outside for me. Take. We're going outside.
Drive up there.
Oh. You can't see. You have to come back.
Driver, Uchi, you will not even look when the Gina. Wait for your load.
Wait. That, so you can go. Yeah, be careful. You have a load. You are going outside. Go outside. Outside the door. You can't see. Go. Turn around.
Ornament on this box. In this box. Hey, baby, hey, you forgot this one. Okay, but I'm not supposed to. All boxes are going out. Kill up where you. I don't know where I'll get it and put it. This boy, I'm folding and he will just be removing, scattering things from me. Be careful, don't go to the staircase there. I just hope they should.
Maybe they'll score another one. Go! Hey, go! Oh. Yeah.
I'm up.
Yeah, up.
So that 30 minutes, so Obaku to me sha.
Now they have to play the 30-minute finish. They say have to play the 30 minutes.
But I say 15 minutes, Abama.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let me see the time. It's
Because Mama have extra time. So, half extra, it's not 15 minutes.
Yeah. And it's not okay.
11 minutes.
90. Yeah. So I think now they have changed.
Yeah, maybe.
The rule.
Yeah.
Maybe within the first 15 minutes.
Yeah. Because a bay, I say, about 90 minutes. Now my mama more.
Yeah, but it used to be. They used to play the 15
yeah.
minutes. Yeah, but I think now. Oh, Morocco.
But now, who did I hear? Who Morocco? Now, Senegal. Made a country Senegal. And now because of their color, so Senegal.
Like for them, the host nation to miss that penalty. That guy there.
The guy that scored it. Yes, baby. Senegal. Our country near me,
how is it?
Africa. The guy has done well. The one that scored for them.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh, quite. Jesus Christ.